Whoa, good morning, y'all. Welcome to Dollywood. We are here today to ride some roller coasters. But more importantly, we're here today to eat some of the food offered during the Harvest Festival here at Dollywood. Harvest Festival / Great Pumpkin Luminites. We're gonna go check out some of the food that we saw in the first vlog. So join me. Let's go ride some roller coasters. It's a great day to be back at Dollywood. Maybe we'll count the pumpkins today. Maybe that's something else we can do. And I had some footage of the lady that plays here for the Harvest Festival, but I'm a dingus and I had it on time lapse when I was recording. So it did not turn out good at all. Oh, this hill's kicking my butt as always. A note about today. Today is Saturday, October 10th. Yeah, that's right. And Hurricane Delta hit hit Louisiana last night, rather. And we're getting the remnants of it today. So it's gonna be pretty rainy. So we're gonna try to get in and get out and get this video made and maybe out by 2 o'clock before the rest of the rain comes. Let's go ride Thunderhead.
Welcome to the Thunderhead, the wildest ride in the woods. For your safety, you must be 48 inches to ride. We recommend guests with heart conditions, high blood pressure, back and or neck injuries,
0 minutes.
or illness,
Perfect.
and those who are pregnant not ride the Thunderhead. The Thunderhead takes you on a thrilling
I haven't rode this in like a month, so I'm super excited.
100-foot drop into
Love this roller
2
coaster.
S-turns,
It's my number 2 here.
22 accelerated
Oh wait.
turns. This exhilarating ride
Classic. Let's go. And in this vlog's series of Thunderhead hair, as you can see, it doesn't look nearly as nice when I haven't had a haircut in a while. So I should probably get a haircut. But what a wonderful ride. I dabbed on it. I went, whoop. But I don't think it's going to make the final cut because I don't have the photo pass. Oh well. Let's go see what other roller coasters are open. We got here at 9:30 and came in because we have a gold pass, season pass, whatever. So let's go ride something else, hopefully. So, yeah, pretty busy today. They're just waiting to do the rope drop over there. And, yeah, a lot of people here. Looks like it's going to be a pretty busy rainy day. Did y'all see those leaves fall? Let's see what time it is. All right. So, I went live on Facebook. And I somehow got myself into riding Wild Eagle in the pouring rain. And I mean the pouring rain. So, I'm going to do it for y'all. I'm going to have to buy a new shirt after this, but I'm going to do it for y'all. So, I will see you on the other side. Alright, so I did ride it. And I am completely soaked. I'm over here at Wildwood Grove now. I did a Facebook Live to kind of show them the results first of the aftermath of me getting rained on Wild Eagle. It was the fastest water ride I've ever been on. So we're over here at Wildwood Grove. I'm gonna go buy a t-shirt because I'm soaking wet and I don't want to be uncomfortable for the rest of the day. So give me just a moment and really coming down today, y'all. I believe this morning when I woke up, the only reason I came to Dollywood because it was a 10% chance of rain from 9 to 2. As you can see, that is no longer the case. So we're just gonna go eat some food and get the heck out of here. Because it does not look like it's gonna let up, and I'm kind of cold from getting wet, so. Wow, it's bad. And people are still riding Wild Eagle. So I'm not the only madman. There's plenty more. Oh man. Just have a look. Alright. Let's dry off old Mickey here. The old shake. And let's continue on back to the entrance. I was gonna go check out some more of the Harvest Festival things, but as you can see, I don't think they'll be doing much Harvest Festival activities today. So yeah, more or less, if you are here and it's raining like this, and as long as it's not lightning, they are still running rides. So as long as you do not mind getting soaked, you can ride all the rides you want. But you will get soaked. And over here by Dropline, the ducks and the frogs have formed an alliance. They're starting to make their way into Timber Canyon. They've annexed Reds. Now they're invading over here. And they've joined forces with the pumpkin frogs. Heck yeah, frog. It's a river. Wow. I need to look into the weather a little bit better next time. Oh. But if you're coming here and it does rain, this gives you an idea of what the park will be like in the rain. Surprisingly, the answer is rainy and wet and semi-flooded. Oh, please don't splash me. Please don't splash me. Oh, she splashed me. Oh, can you believe it? Yeah, this is very steep and this water is rushing very quickly. Yeah, I think it's going to be an early day here at Dollywood. This is no bueno. No bueno, for sure. I'm sure everybody has the same idea as me as well. Let's go inside. Let's go get a snack. Let's get out of this rain. It's gonna be good. Let's go look at the ice cream shop. Oh my goodness. Look at this thing. You can get this at the ice cream shop near the entrance to Dollywood. Look at this. Holy cow. That is called the Peanut Butter Freak Shake. Let's dig in. All right, so I really don't even know where to start with this thing. I mean, just look at it. Goodness, what a beast. Oh my God, that's fantastic. Oh man. It's got a whole Nutty Buddy bar in it. This is incredible. It's even got peanut butter right there lined up with the I don't know if this is a fall treat, but it sure is a good treat.
But you'll be riding with me.
Y'all need to get this. This is incredible. It is expensive, but trust me. Trust me. Well, we got our snack fix in, but now I'm kind of craving something a little more savory. So let's head on in and go find something good to eat. And it stopped raining, so that's good. So yeah, the one thing to note about that milkshake I just got, it comes in a glass like jar, and you have to clean it up afterwards, which is not the easiest thing because they got syrup and peanut butter everywhere. So if you don't have a backpack or anything, just think about that before you buy that thing. But it's very good. I would definitely get it again. But that looks pretty savory. Let's get that. All right. So we got the pork belly. Look at that. Potatoes, pork belly, peppers. Don't really like peppers, but I can pick around them. Adds the flavor at least. I don't like the texture. Where's the... I'm having trouble finding the pork belly. Oh, there it is. Okay. Wow. Did not see that coming. That is very good. It's got a really good smoky flavor. Good smoky flavor. The potatoes have a good little seasoning on it. Wow. Good. Very good. I'll try it with pepper salad. I'm always picky eater. Very good. Very hot. I don't know if you can see it, but the steam is literally... Yeah, you can see that. That's just steaming. So it's very hot, very good. A little cold from all the rain. So I'm glad that it's piping hot. It's warming up my core temperature a little bit. So that pork belly was really good over at the Market Square Skillet. If you like brisket, I definitely recommend getting it. It's not like a big slice of brisket, it's like diced brisket, but it's really good. It's got a good smoky flavor. I'm a fan. I would get it again. Probably will get it again, but I really like those fish and chips better. So I just wanted to show y'all that indeed the fall colors are in full swing here at Dollywood as it starts to rain again. I just got dry. So it's just good to show you all that, yeah, it's definitely, the colors are starting to turn. I'll tell you by next week. Today is October 10th. I'd say by the 17th, we're going to be looking at orange and yellow all around us. I mean, it's kind of all around me right now if you look behind me. So it's a great time to be at the Smoky Mountains, even if it's rainy. So I'm going to end this video here. I wanted to do a lot more today, but the rain has really put a damper on my day. So we had a good, quick, wet trip to Dollywood today. Did some fun things. Rode Wild Eagle in the rain, the pouring rain. I'd do it again if I had a rain jacket, I'd say. It wasn't that bad, except for getting beat up. Like my eyes were getting just tore up by rain, so that wasn't fun. But other than that, it was pretty fun. And we got this sweet t-shirt that was on sale. Pretty hard to beat that. So, as always, thank y'all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We have our Halloween trip coming up in 13 short days, so we're gonna put out about 2 more videos after this one, and then we'll be doing that for our 50th video. So yeah, we've done 50 videos, y'all. Isn't that insane? Feels like we just started this channel a couple months ago, because we did. But yeah, for now, y'all take it easy. Thanks for watching.